Alright, we're down here at the beach in Texas, having a great vacation, and got a package in the mail before we left. So I didn't want to wait till I got back. Wanted to go ahead and unbox this thing, share with you what I've got. It's a brand new, well, it's a new 2021 product that's got something special that it didn't have before on it. It's a phone case, but let me turn this camera around, let's break into it, and we'll talk about what we've got going on. Alright, so I'm up here on the balcony, let's get this thing open. Alright, so you know my favorite phone case manufacturer is, boom, Caudabe. And they just came out with the Synthesis MagSafe. So this is the first MagSafe version of a phone case, at least to my knowledge, that Caudabe's come out with. So I wanted to share this with you and at least show the unboxing of it and give you an up-close look at it. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh yeah, there you go. So you can already see in the sun as it's hitting it. There's the MagSafe ring, the ring of magnets, the magnetic ring around it. The thing about and here's the inside. I'll show you up close. There's some words on that ring. Basically it says minimalist perfection around the ring, and then there's a Caudabe logo right there. Here, let me zoom in. There you go. So zoom in here. Here's the Caudabe wording around the inside. So looking around the case, you get some grippiness, some grippy texture on the sides. It's not a completely smooth back. There is a little bit of texture there. Around the corners, you do get a little bit of the corner turns upwards, so it provides a little bit of protection for the back of the case. So if you set this down flat on a surface, it's going to put a little bit of space between the surface and the back of the case to prevent scratches of your case and of your phone. There's your camera cutout, nice and deep camera cutout. We'll put the phone on it here in a second. Solid cutouts. If you notice, there's little gaps with the buttons. When they do that, it makes them super clicky. So they remove some of the material around the button so that the button's extra clicky. Let me zoom out a little bit here. There we go. So the Synthesis is the toughest case in the Caudabe lineup. So you have the Veil, which is a super thin case. You've got the Sheath, which is a good tough case. They say 6-foot drop protection on the Sheath, but the Synthesis is really kind of their tougher case. So you still get some really nice grip around the edge, a little bit of texture on the back. It's a little bit smoother than the Sheath, but you do get some nice texture, and it's still a thin feeling case. This is not a thick case at all. Let me put the phone in real quick. Oh yeah, that looks nice, really nice on the phone. Fits really good. There's not a lot of give. Now I can pull it away from the edge, but there's not a lot of give, and so you're gonna have no problems with this, with the fit of the case on the phone. Has a really nice solid fit to it. The power mute rocker cutout, very easy to access, no issues with that. Here's the camera hump. There you go, nice deep camera cutout to protect your lenses. There's the back. There's your power port, your speaker grills, plenty of room there to plug in your charger, although with the MagSafe on this, I'm probably going to be using a MagSafe charger like I will. I'll cut in some B-roll right here real quick of me testing this out on a MagSafe charger, but as I said before, Caudabe is probably my favorite case manufacturer. The Sheath is probably my #1 favorite case, but the Synthesis comes in pretty close behind the Sheath. It's just a really nice high quality case. They really put a lot into, and this is non-sponsored. I bought this case myself. They did not send this case to me. It costs about $30. You need to order it on Caudabe.com. But really like the Caudabe Synthesis. Now here's the wallet. So I just reviewed the Moft wallet. I'll leave a link to that video down below. See if that works on there. Oh yes, that magnet is catching just fine. That's not going to go anywhere. Oh yeah, there you go. So as I said before, I'll cut some B-roll in here of it on using the MagSafe charger to make sure that that works. Otherwise, just wanted to give you just this quick preview or quick unboxing of the Caudabe Synthesis. Great case from Caudabe. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below. Also, I just want to know, what case are you using? Let me know in your comments down below. If I haven't checked it out before, I might pick one up and do a review of it. So let me know, what case are you using? And as always, give me a subscribe, give me a like, and thanks for watching this video. I appreciate it. I'll see you when I get back to town with something a little bit more in depth. Thanks a lot. Peace.